Defy aging at the cellular level. Meet Recharge NAD, a next-generation supplement that optimizes the production of energy in the cell to support everything your body does, like breathing, digesting, moving, and more. It also helps slow cellular aging by boosting your cell's natural detoxification processes. At Isagenix, we've combined several scientifically based ingredients to support these key components of healthy cellular aging. This advanced capsule technology is time-released for increased absorption and bioavailability to get into your body and into your cells. Cell care is the new self-care. Let's take a closer look inside. These capsules don't just look cool, they also serve a purpose. Naturally colored bright blue beadlets contain an array of nutrients, plus an outer layer to protect these nutrients from external exposures, such as oxygen and light. We start with NADH, which your body converts to NAD, a member of the vitamin B3 family, or niacin. NAD helps convert your food to energy. Next is broccoli seed extract. This ingredient activates your body's detoxifying defenses, helping to slow down the cellular aging process. Fun fact, you can't get this from eating cooked broccoli. It wouldn't be an Isagenix formula without botanicals. Astragalus is a staple in traditional Chinese medicine, known for supporting overall well-being. Next up, tocotrienols, a highly specialized form of vitamin E, shown to support your brain, liver, and metabolism. And finally, another molecule found in many plants, fruits, and vegetables, fisetin, a potent supporter of cellular health. 5 powerful ingredients, 2 little pills, once every day. With more than 30 trillion cells inside the human body, it makes sense for the best in well-being to start small. Recharge NAD, only from Isagenix.